Black Friday season is here and it's time to grab some killer deals on cameras. We're going to break down what the best value for your money is, how to find discounts, and more. Welcome back. I'm Jason. Today we are talking about all things camera related. From brands, features, prices, you name it. This video will have everything you need for this upcoming Black Friday, so don't worry if you've been waiting around all year for this moment, because now there's no excuse not to buy a new camera. The GoPro Hero 8 Black is not only the best action camera we've ever used, but it's one of the best cameras, period. It has the ability to shoot in a variety of video resolutions, up to 4K at 60 frames per second, and it has one of the best image stabilization systems in a camera. The Hero 8 Black has been redesigned to be easier to use thanks to an improved user interface that brings many of the settings to the forefront. Our favorite mode is Time Warp for shooting time-lapse videos, but the Hero 8 Black captures great photos and videos in general. The body has also been redesigned. It no longer needs a cage for attaching accessories to it. For Black Friday, GoPro is discounting the Hero 8 Black bundle by $100. Besides the camera, you have the head strap accessory, a useful item for attaching the camera on your head, a shorty grip that doubles as a mini tripod, a 32 gigs of micro SD card, and an extra battery. The ever-popular Sony Alpha A6600 mirrorless is on sale, making now a great time for anyone on the fence about the already affordable and reliable camera. The body alone costs $1,198, 14% off, while the kit with a zoom lens costs $1,598, 11% off. The deals for Sony cameras also extend to a few compact options that make it easy to shot on-the-go video and photos. The Sony ZV-1 is a great tool when you need to shoot vlog-style video without having to fiddle too much with settings, and is going for $648. 15 Sony lenses are also on sale for 10 to 22% off, from the 18 to 200mm Sony Alpha lens to a 35mm. High-grade professional lenses like the Sony FE70 to 200mm f2.8 GM OSS lens is also 14% off, currently retailing at $2,298 until the end of the Black Friday. The Polaroid Go is arguably the most charming camera around, with its pint-sized form factor, making it a fine choice for beginners who are looking to get into instant snapping. Its fixed focus and lack of a macro mode mean it isn't the most versatile choice around, but you do get a self-timer and double exposure mode to keep things varied. While its film refills could be cheaper, the camera itself is very affordable. And it could be the subject of Black Friday discounts for the first time this year too. If your budget is a little lower and you don't mind a much larger body, then check out the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 too. Both offer a great route into the fun of instant photography. If you're searching for a small but smartphone-beating mirrorless camera, then the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV is one of the finest mid-range options around. It's particularly well-suited to those coming from smartphones, thanks to its intuitive button layout, flip-down touchscreen, and comfortable grip. That fact that it looks lovely and is a camera that you can't help but pick and use helps too. The EM10 Mark IV is better suited to shooting stills than video, as it lacks microphone and headphone inputs. Still, its 20.3 megapixel sensor means it can shoot 4K, 30p video, and it does offer pretty reliable subject tracking. Throw in an incredibly varied micro four thirds lens catalog and you have one of the best cameras around for beginners. The Fujifilm X-T4 may not be a full-frame camera, but its smaller APS-C sensor allows it to be the best all-rounder for most photographers in terms of size and all-round value. It combines in-body image stabilization, speedy burst shooting, and a larger battery than its X-T3 predecessor. Its autofocus is also fast and reliable in most situations. When it comes to image quality, the X-T4's 26 megapixel sensor remains class-leading for an APS-C camera, and it turns in an impressive performance when it comes to video too. Fujifilm's fine range of X-series lenses also make it a great, smaller alternative to its full-frame rivals. Though if you're looking for something even more affordable than the X-T4, it's well worth considering its X-T3 predecessor too.